this one, in this video, we will be multiplying and dividing integers. So, multiplying and dividing integers. Okay, so first we're going to start out with my plus minus chart. I'll do multiplication blue and division red. So I'll start out with multiplication. Okay, so a positive times a positive will always equal a positive. A positive times a negative will always equal a negative. A negative times a positive is the same thing as a positive times a negative because of the commutative property of multiplication and addition. Although addition doesn't really comply in this, but it is the same property for both operations. And then negative times negative is positive. So another way I could have said this without doing this chart is the product of two integers with the same sign is positive, and the product of two integers without the same sign is negative. And same thing goes for division. Yep. The quotient of red. So plus divided by a plus equals a plus. A plus divided by a negative will equal a negative. A negative divided by positive will always equal a negative. And a negative divided by a negative will always equal a positive. So you could say it's the same thing as multiplication. So let's do a couple. Alright. I'll only do simple division ones. Because, long division is a little bit more complicated. So anyway, let's see, 2 times 3. So the way you would do this, actually, you know what? Let's give it a bit of a flair. Negative 2 times 3. So another way you could do this is 2 times 3. And if you don't know, if you don't know how to multiply these two simple integers, in a couple of, actually, you know what? After this video, I'll be taking simple addition, subtraction, multiplication, division videos. So you can check those out, but I'll do this one for you. So you can ignore the sign for now. And the thing that you need to remember is just 2 times 3 and then add a negative sign. So what is 2 times 3? Well, 2 times 3 means 2 plus 2 plus 2, or 3 plus 3. Because multiplication is basically addition repeated over and over and over again. So this would be 2 plus 2 plus 2 would be 6. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 3 plus 3, 6. So this would be negative 6, since there is a negative sign. You just need to add that at the end. But let's say negative 4 times negative 5. Then what will you do? Okay. So what will you do in negative 4 times negative 5? Well, first of all, you can cross out the negatives, because two negatives cancel out into a positive. So it's 4 times 5. Well, that would be 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Or you could have 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. In case you don't know how I'm doing that, 4 times 5 is basically 5 fours with addition signs in between them. And you could also do it the other way around because of the commutative property of multiplication. So you could have 4 5s with addition signs in between the numbers. So this would be 20. And, yeah. Okay, so now let's do division. Division's a whole lot easier. So let's say I have, negative, 25. No, okay. I had to do this. I had to start off with something very, very hard. But you know what? Whatever. I'm gonna X this out. Okay. My touchpad sometimes doesn't respond. So, yeah. Okay. So let's say we have 25 divided by -5. And that's just drawn to separate, like, this is not this is not division and then subtraction. It's division of this negative number. So first you can just ignore the negative number for now. But remember, the quotient of two integers that have the opposite sign will be negative. So this will be a negative answer, but we don't need to worry about that right now. So anyway, what 25 times 5 is saying is that, let's say I had 25 objects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. If I split them into 5 groups, how many objects would there be in each group? Well, let's see. Let me draw this in a more, like, civilized way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So if I separated this into 5 groups, how many objects would there be in each group? Well, we would do this. There would be 5 objects in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are included. And that's basically how you do really easy division. And I think I'll leave you off there because I am running out of time and I don't want to waste your time either.